and I'm going to pour that in. Now it's 4 cups of water, infused water, and a cup of Castile soap if you're using liquid. Now mine is tinted red or pinky color, which actually kind of looks orange right now, due to the rose petals, because I used fresh rose petals. You're stirring it up really well. So if you're using like lavender, it may have a purpley color. If you're using lemon balm, there could be like a greenish color with a lemony scent. So that's up to you if you want to do it fresh. So I've talked about 2 different ways. So you can use the fresh, dried, actually technically I guess there would be 4 if you break down the fresh and the dried, herbs and steep them in water overnight. Or you can use scented Castile soap, or the other option would be to use essential oils. Now some people don't like using essential oils because they want to be completely pure, completely, you know, clean, or as much as possible, so they don't use essential oils. However, remember, I've said this before in my other classes, as long as you are diluting it, and this is a 5-gallon bucket, if you don't go too crazy with it, you can use essential oils. You can do a mixture of fresh and give it a scent booster by using essential oil. This smells pretty good right now. I am going to go ahead and top off the other half of the 5-gallon bucket. You're going to fill it up with hot water, and you're going to stir it up one more time, and then you're going to sit it somewhere in your laundry room overnight, and then the next day give it another stir and you're ready to use it. Now what I like to do, instead of going straight out of the 5-gallon bucket, is I got myself one of these glass containers with a little spout, and I use my measuring cup. I set it right here in the laundry room, so all I have to do is take it, fill it up, and pour it in the wash, and then I just refill it from my 5-gallon bucket. Now if you have yourself a box of borax and a box of washing soda and a big old thing of Castile soap, you really don't need to buy laundry soap for a few years, because a 5-gallon bucket will last you, depending on how much laundry you have, 6 months to a year, maybe even more if you don't have a lot of laundry to do. And it costs pennies to make, as opposed to getting one thing about this big of laundry soap at the store filled with chemicals. So that's how you do it. Reach out to me and let me know if you have any questions. And as always, thank you for allowing me to help you on your natural healing journey.